Alright, looks like we're back. Let me get this. These links posted here. Discord. Alright. We good? I think I got everything set up right. So, this is paintball. It's gonna be interesting. Yeah, this is literally the first time I watched a video on YouTube of some girl playing it, like an older girl, not like old, younger than me, I think, acting pretty crazy. But yeah, anyways, okay, so let's just let's get into it. Okay, cool. So let's get into it then. So what do I do? Deploy? What's this stuff? Weapons, streaks, okay. So some kid made this. Looks nice. Oh, 800. So how much, I wonder how much that costs. 500,000 euros? What? Oh, it must not be right. 800, you get an Inferno rifle, double credits, triple votes, chat tag. I don't know what any of that means. Long shots, destroy. So is it going to increase your graphics quality for the best experience? Okay. So jump is space. Who do I shoot? Okay, so I guess I shoot the blue. Yo. Okay. So I guess I already died. All right. Okay. Okay, so someone's obviously camping this. Oh, come on. Somebody's camping. Can we even get out? Okay, just hurry up and run. Who's the bad guys? I literally don't know. This guy. Boom Book. Level 47. I'm level 1, so he's probably having a lot of LOLs right now. So if I can just run out of here. How do I know who the bad guys are though? That's the problem. Okay, this is pretty fun. It's kind of glitchy, huh? So I just run, right? Okay. So what do you guys think? Can do nothing. Kind of want to just look around though, you know? I wonder if I can hold down to shoot faster. Hold down the mouse. Try that. No, cannot. Okay. Dang, these kids are good. Oh, come on, Bambook. Don't do me like that. Yeah, you know what, guys? I think... Where is this Bambook? I need to shoot him next time. Let's try to shoot him. He's in this blue area. Like, where's the blue area? What? He's literally like inside of this wall, but he can still shoot. Okay. He must be. Yes, Monica, I am dying a lot by Boom Book. Probably a 6-year-old. But I'm getting a good laugh. So he's inside the wall, so this is like not fair. I'm pretty sure because if we look. This is like, I want to be on their team. I don't want to be on this team anymore. How do I switch teams? So how do I shoot somebody? I don't really get it. I think I might play another game though. Yeah, probably quit this. All right. We've had the paintball. I get it. How do I want to leave the game. Leave. Yep, there is a lot of content. Okay, so let me see. Yes, looking for a game to capture, huh? So then I gotta turn this off. Okay. Yeah, it seems like he is behind the wall, so. Red versus blue, but I couldn't tell who was on which team. Just the only thing was like the paintball bullets. The only thing I could tell. Okay. Well, I'm not gonna let that discourage me. Let me find another one here. Okay, this time I'm gonna pick one. Let's see. Maybe one that I can like walk around and look at stuff first before I just die. Plain crazy. AHT? Jailbreak seems cool. Let's try it. All new Lambo, smoke grenades, airtail, upgraded robbery markers, SWAT pistol. Oh, what do we do here? An award-winning game. Played over 4 billion times. Where you can orchestrate a robbery or stop the criminals before they get away. Okay. So there is no like limit, like age limit here. Okay, whatever, let's play it. Play a tycoon game. You might like that better. Yep, probably. Let's find a game where we can make some money. Get some make some schemes to make money. Open a shop. But no, I don't have time to go into depth on a tycoon game. But anyways, loading this one up. See what's going on. This is taking kind of a while. Is this normal? Normally take this long? I don't think so. I just went into one game. Well, while we're waiting on this, might as well fire up the old Weevil. It is still 55 minutes until the market opens. Let's just check this out though. Haven't even looked. Wow, the TNX is down 3, but that's probably from yesterday, right? Gush is up a little bit over to the ETFs. Oh. Okay, so wow, clean energy is leading the way. ARC is up 2%. Prin is up 2%. ARC-Q, ARC-G, ARC-F is 1.5. ARC-W is 1.2. Shaking my head is up 0.8. That's pretty good because it was down in the after hours and pre-market before. Buzz is up. Okay, the SOX is up. But what's not up? The SPAC ETF. Oh. Oops. Interesting. We got some green going on right now. FAS is up a little bit. Everything is up. Even FAS. And Gush. Voxel's up 3%. T-Triple-Q is 2%. Okay, well, hey. Cool. Oh, look. The game is ready. Let's do it then. Let's do it. Alright. What is this? Well, I forgot what I was playing. Oh yeah, the jailbreak. I want to be a... Which one do I want to be? Can I not choose? Oh, I guess I can choose. I want to be a prisoner or I want to be a police. I want to be a police. Obviously. I don't want to be a bad guy. Oh, interesting. So what do I do here? I can get my gun. Oh, I can shoot. Okay. I wonder if it's unlimited ammo. I can try to put some handcuffs on them. Wait a minute. I've got handcuffs on? What's this? Oh, it's a taser. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go. Okay. So, and then what is this? Oh, lay down some. Oh, I see. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, so I can just get the gun out then. Can I get in this car? Yes. I can. $10,000? Do I have any money? The bank truck is ready to be driven to its destination. One-time purchase for 10,000? Can I shoot this? Get out of here. I don't want to buy this. How do I get... I don't want to buy this. Ooh. Crawl? The NC is crawl, huh? Oh, okay. So, what do I do? What's this? Oh, there's footprints here. Oh. I see. So they must have went this way, huh? Do I have my gun? Gun. Mm-hmm. Okay, what's that red thing? The controls are a little bit weird. I have to right click to turn the thing. Alright, there's some red blip on my little mini map down there, so I'm just gonna follow that. How do I turn the siren on though? That would be pretty cool. Train tracks? Okay, this is cool. Oh, there's a jump. Can we jump this? Yeah, not really. Okay. So what's this red thing? It's like gas station or something? So what's this bank truck? What are they talking about? I think the police are losing because it says on the right side it says the criminal money is more. Police don't have much money. Obviously everybody wants to be a criminal, I guess, right? Okay. Well, we're gonna get someone. Go to the city. Maybe there's some criminals down here. So what am I supposed to do here? Do I just drive around? There ain't nobody here. Wait, there's somebody. Oh crap. How do I get in there? The vehicle is locked. Ask the owner. Oh, who's the owner? I literally saw someone in here. Wait a minute. Bank truck is ready? Oh, I'm just gonna miss this guy's car, whatever. I really thought I saw someone in there. Okay. There's someone. What's this guy doing? Is he just chilling? Can I just run over him? What? Cannot even run over him? Okay, okay. Get out the car. Oh, wait a minute. Are you a police? Dang. Police too. Thought I found a bad guy. Dang truck is ready to be driven, bro. I don't know what that means. I'm pretty sure there's a bad guy in here, though. Why aren't... Hey, can you come help me? Dude, where are you? Oh, man, I lost my police... Oh, there he is. Come on. Follow me. Let's cuff you. Cuff you. Alright. Maybe I should use a taser instead. Where is everybody? Probably doing something wrong. He's in there robbing the jeweler. Yes. That's what I thought. I don't know where to get in there. What's this? Probably a bomb or something. Bank truck is ready to be driven. Can we jump down here? Can we die if we jump? Let's try. Guess not. Okay, where's the bank truck? Oh, what's this? Probably that other policeman just wrecked his car. Alright. Well, anyways, there's someone here. Because that's his car. That is, looks like a Bugatti. Oh, crap. Oh my god, I finally found someone. Where's my car? Dang, my car's all the way over here. There's some red blips on the mini map. Can I sprint? Oh, I can sprint. Come on, dude. At least let's kill one guy, okay? Hey man, you want to get in? You're just gonna stand there. You're just gonna stand there. Oh my god, this handling on this looks like a Camaro or something. Okay. Oh, I think I'm going the wrong way. I don't want to go this way. Hold on. Sneak up on someone. Oh man. Okay. I saw some red blippage down here. Whoa, what's those flashing lights? I mean, this is kind of fun if you have like just literally a long time. Okay, I saw a red blip. They must be running around over here. Wait a minute, that's a car. Like a Lambo. Oh, is that the bank truck? Oh, there's a bad guy right there. Okay, so. Well, now I am in hot pursuit. Well, I still see him. How do I turn my sirens on? Hey, is that a jail? Looks like it. So, how, can I not shoot anybody while they're in their cars, or what? What's the point? Okay, cool. So you gonna get out and face me? Or we just gonna drive around all day? I don't know. What's the goal here? Cause I don't seem like I can shoot. Oh, sneaky trying to. Maybe I should try to be more sneaky or something. Is that a bad guy? I don't even think so. Oof, the lag. Oh man, that lag just costed me some time there, huh? Oh, there's a helicopter though. Well, I think he might have lost me. Okay. Alright. Paycheck, 1,200 cash. Really? Made money? Oh snap, there's somebody. Get out, bro. Get out the car. Get your gun. You trying to rob this store? Oh crap, out of bullets. Gunfight, boys. God. You've been shooting him? And do I have like health or something? We both suck. This is cool. Okay. Forget this. Crap, he's got a shotgun. Trying to handcuff him, but it don't work. I need some backup. How do I call for some backup? No, I feel like I'm shooting him because it's red. But why is he not dying? And he must be shooting me, but I don't feel like I have health or something like that. Come on, boys. Get him. Oh, that must be. Oh, I got him? No, didn't. Well. The friendliest shootout ever. This isn't building my confidence in buying a Roblox stock. Not at all. I'm shorting it. Looks like crap, yeah. Seriously. That I mean, how many times does it take to shoot someone? Because that paintball game was, man, it was like a one-shot kill. That one was. The good thing about Roblox is that it's a game for all ages. Many games on Roblox are meant for any age, or some are meant for younger or older ages. Jailbreak is quite outdated for Roblox. What's a better game that's updated? He should jump in to Martin, a less outdated server. Yep, let me know. Because this one was not fun, I can tell you. But it's free. Well, I'm not complaining, but you know what I mean? So let's get out of here. This was how do I get out of here? Yeah. Well. How's the markets doing? Soxel is up 2.6. Okay. Okay. We can go back to playing as long as Soxel is up 2.6. Yep. Someone let me know a better one to jump in here. Roblox stock should open at opening bell. Some people are waiting 2 days before buying. Anyone know what? Yeah, because it's probably gonna sell off because there's no lockup period, so the earlier investors that already have shares are just going to dump. That's usually what happens. And, you know, it might come back and go even higher, but, you know, usually there is a dumping period, and you can look back on graphs of different IPOs. Yeah, it's not always like that, but this one, they just went from a 4 billion evaluation to a 29.5 billion, so I don't think anybody knows what the stock is going to cost. Well, the meme play that won was actually GameStop. I mean, it's just won in, like, because I did the poll on Twitter, it was by far. And since it's up to $277 now, those are not going to be $100 calls. You know, 2 days out, single option, we could do the furthest away. Actually, it might be, but of course, market opens. I mean, that's the cheapest we could do, which is ridiculous. Strike. $800 strike. I mean, you really want to do that? Or we could do a vertical. Probably would be a lot cheaper. Yeah, I mean, it's 100. Yeah, I'm sure you can get it for something like that one. That one's $45. I mean, there you can get into a bullish position for less than $100, so could even get 2 of these. But yeah, we could do something like that. Oh, it's opening at 45. Oh, okay. All right, yeah. I actually don't know. It's a good question. It is a good question. Anyways. Yeah, so I'm not sure. We can do the GameStop play for sure, but I don't know. That would be very interesting because it's a vertical, and I mean, you know, or we could do the 800 strike, which is just ridiculous. Like 2 days till 800. Just imagine if that actually hit. We would literally go from 800, or sorry, $100 to 3, probably would be 3,000. That would be cool. I don't know, we could do this vertical for sure. Voxel up 3%. Interesting stuff, okay. So let's, I guess, while we have time, since this is a Roblox kind of day, sell a call higher when you're bullish. Yeah, but we don't have the 100 shares, so it would be naked, and I don't want to do that. I don't even think that's level 4, which I don't. Oh man, that can go so wrong if it's a naked call. Honestly confused on whether to buy it or not right away. Any opinions? Okay, so yes, Martin Roblox. Thanks for joining the stream. I would probably, you know, if you like the stock, then yeah, go ahead, put some money on it. But I wouldn't put so much because these things are known to just sell off like a lot right when it IPOs. And there's no lockup now. We have found out about Roblox. There's no lockup, so all of the early investors that, I don't know, have hundreds of thousands of shares could just dump them, because that's just a way to get their investment back. So I think, yeah, I mean, put a little bit of money in it if you don't mind holding it for some time, but also, you know, when in doubt, I would dollar cost average. So if it buy some, just buy a little bit. If you have $1,000 to invest, then buy 100 at open, $100 worth, and then buy a couple hours later, buy another 100. See what the price is, and just kind of average into it slowly, just in case it does tank. I mean, that's gonna be the best thing to do in this situation. So I would recommend that. Tata Kate, where are you from? Maybe we can communicate in another language. That would be cool. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Brazil, okay, yeah, I don't know Portuguese. Pretty much at all. So yeah, let's check it out. But overall, I'm more interested in shorting it because of the research that I did on it, and I think it's probably gonna dump. Although I know the hype is really big, but usually, let's remember, when there is greed, we should be fearful. So, like, everybody thinks, like, oh, it's gonna go up to the moon tonight, just watch. Yeah, maybe, but maybe we could short it too. But of course, I'm not necessarily gonna short it right away. I want to see how high it will go and then start shorting. Because you could always dollar cost average into shorts. There's no reason you can't dollar cost average every single thing you do. You know, it's a good thing. Even like everything. Hey, appreciate all them thumbs up. Come on, guys. Yeah, like this video. I'm streaming Roblox for you guys. It's listed on Robinhood. Let's check it out. Let's see if it's on Webull. I'm streaming. Yeah, it is. It is 45. Okay. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and focus on the Roblox IPO. Obviously, market cap set at 24.77 billion. That's, I thought it was 29.5. Huh. Interesting stuff. Shares out 550.454 million. So I'm wondering if that is the how many that possibly could dump. You know what I mean? Or how many is it going to be? I don't know. I guess so, yeah. So, yeah. PE is 78. I mean, overall, sorry to burst bubbles, but I'm not really interested in it. I'm kind of like, yeah. If I had to pick one, I'd probably short it, but I'm probably gonna buy some right at open anyways because I expect it would just take off because of the hype, and then eventually I don't know if it's gonna be $50, I don't know if it's gonna be 60 or even $100. I would expect it to crash. So I'm not like, we're buying common, so it's not a very big deal if it does, if we do get dumped on too late where we can't sell it. It dumps too fast, right? The market orders are gonna be your friend today, guys. Because if we're trying to do a fast moves, then I would just do market orders. But so yeah, I would plan, like, what I'm thinking is it's going to head up. I don't know how steep and I don't know for how long, and then eventually it'll start dumping and it'll dump below the 45. That's what I think, but who knows? Nobody knows. So we will see. So buy some, sell it at something, start taking profits. I don't know. 20%, we take a profit around $60 maybe. I don't know though. Cannot. No. So no reason to talk about it. But yeah, you said you wanted to take a look at Buzz. Let's do it. And while we're doing that, if you guys don't mind, let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and get another game pulled up on the good old Roblox. We still got half an hour, so this could be cool. I don't know. I literally don't know nothing. Oh, these are sponsored. I don't want to do sponsored games. I want to do want to do recommended for you. No, I want to do like top all time or something. Come on. Popular? Yeah, maybe. It would be popular or top rated. Welcome to Bloxburg. Tropical Resort Tycoon. Dinosaur. That looks for some reason to me. Golden Portal. Dimension 5 anime fighting. Not really into that. ABBA. Dancing Queen ABBA. I mean, this is cool. Cool. Untamed Planet. Okay, so I don't know what this is. Let's click on it and find out, I guess. Thanks for waiting. Okay, so what was the point here? That might not be very fun. Doesn't even have a description. Spawn or ride a horse, flare, gas boost, reloads. I don't know what that is. I don't want to play it. What's interesting here? Bloxburg. That one's 41,000 people playing it right now. Build and design your own amazing house. Own cool vehicles. Hang out with friends. Okay, I mean, I'm pretty much that's like living life, and I don't really want to live a life. I kind of want to get away from life. But I assume kids want to live life, huh? Whoa, we have to pay to play this one? This one's not free? Is that normal? Golden Portal. Bubblegum Simulator. Fashion Show is a popular game. I think that's the name. Play Dinosaur Simulator. I saw my little play piggy. Like Minecraft. I have no idea what it's like. Honestly. Alright. So you said Dinosaur. I guess I could do like a survival? Dinosaur Simulator. Okay. So it's fighting with dinosaurs. Everything is just kids just like fighting? Okay. Download and install Roblox. I already did. Oh, it's starting Roblox. Okay. Alright, let's wait for it then. And, okay, in the meantime, then let's do the Buzz. You did say Buzz, right? Buzz TA. So, to be fair, there's not going to be much Buzz TA that we could even do. Because if we see, there's just not much history on it. And that's the problem. That's it. And that's 4 hours. So it's only been available for 4 days. So there's no TA that we can do. It's going up, which it makes sense because the holdings in it, it's the social sentiment. So it's got some, I don't know, I forgot. I think it's got some Amazon, some Google. Let's see. I have to look it up. I forgot off the top of my head. No, it's got American Airlines. It's just the social sentiment one. So Buzz Holdings. But yeah, anyways, I mean, if we are looking at another green day, this is pretty big. This would indicate that the dip is starting to be over with. But yeah, we'll see. So here we are. Oh, that's changed. Interesting. They rebalanced it since the last time I looked at it. Okay, well, good to know. I wish this percent of net assets was on the over here, but okay, this doesn't matter. The biggest holding is Ford, then Twitter, DraftKings, Facebook, American Airlines, Amazon, Apple, AMD, Tesla, Netflix, Microsoft. Tesla, so more Tesla, huh? More exposure to Tesla. That's cool. I guess people want it. Microsoft, Pfizer, Boeing, Plug, Disney, Penn National Gaming, which I don't know what that one is. Bosch Health, Cosmetic Inc. I also don't know. Virgin Galactic, Novavax, Pinterest, Zoom, General Electric, Intel, On Semiconductor Corp. Okay. Snap, General Motors, Moderna, Square, Alphabet, Nvidia, JP Morgan, Exxon. Okay, you guys get the point. It's basically what everybody talks about online, which that is the point. CRISPR Therapeutics, huh? Activision actually has some Activision, CVS, Etsy. I mean, let's be honest. That's pretty good. That's like most of those I would like to have anyways, and I kind of do. If I don't have single positions on them, I have ETFs that already have most of those in them anyways, because I mean we have S&P, Dow Jones, or a NASDAQ ETF anyways. That's some sort of exposure. Also the XLK, TECL, and the SOXL. I mean, we've got some sort of exposure already. But I mean, specifically, these are things that I could see myself making call options on, buying call options on, which I will not be doing any call options today, guys. Sorry, but we're still in the middle of a dip. Although, you guys even see this? Okay, cool. CRISPR's at Kathy Woodstock. Cool, cool, cool. Gonna be big eventually. The tech is incredible. Yeah, I mean, you know, and we're gonna make so much money, guys. You better believe it. Mark my words. This tech dip, it's gonna be over. I've been saying it's gonna be over relatively soon. This is a great time to buy it. Even the talking heads are starting to wake up and thinking like, oh man. But see, that's better start buying it, man. These are cheap. Yeah, especially like after they go up like 15-20%, and then they're like, oh well, maybe we should buy it now, huh? It's gonna go back up. We've been buying the dip, boys and girls. We're gonna make a lot of money when that does climb back up. But there's still a lot of negative sentiment online about this transition into recovery, which is fair. Makes sense. Don't get some of those too, but whatever. The stimulus money isn't going to be spent. Bank of America says, so here are the investment moves to make. The stimulus money isn't going to be spent? Like, how arrogant are these people? What do you mean? The stimulus money isn't going to people that have money. I mean, ideally, I mean, I guess there could be, what's the limit, like 80 or something? I mean, 80,000, which is a lot, but if you have that's household income, right? And then you have kids and stuff like that. But the majority of people getting the stimulus should be lower income, no? That's kind of the point. I just feel like that's kind of arrogant of them to say. But maybe they know something we don't. Anyways, it's hard for me to take that serious because I think people actually need the money. Not everybody, but if you don't need the money, you're probably not going to get it. Treasury auctions this week may add kindling to bond market turbulence. Alright, well let's go ahead and see if they're going to paywall me. Probably they are. See if this works. Okay, cool. Did they paywall me? Yeah, they did. Treasury auctions this week may add kindling to bond market turbulence. A pair of long-dated Treasury sales set for this week could help reignite this year's rapid run-up in yields that has set. Turn the sound off and hear the game it loaded up. The turbulence has sparked renewed debate about potential plumbing problems in the deep well of the U.S. government and bond market, a linchpin of global finance. An auction for 10-year Treasury notes on Wednesday and 30-year Treasury bonds on Thursday will draw focus among investors wary that markets may be ill-prepared to handle the weight of burgeoning fiscal deficits as the Biden administration and Congress push forward with another 1.9 trillion. The bond market is starting to get concerned with how strong demand will be for these auctions, especially considering how brutal the 7-year auction went 2 weeks ago. Until late, so I'm not really understanding this so far. What's the point? The 10-year Treasury note yield fell 5.7 basis points to 1.537% on Tuesday. Yeah. That was yesterday, yeah. And meanwhile, the 30-year slipped 3.9 basis points to 2.265. That sucks. That's some really sucky interest rates. Who does that? I mean, I guess literally only like people with a bunch of money that don't have anything else better to do with it, because it's not like they can just go to a bank and be like, hey, I want to deposit $57 million in a CD or in a savings account. So I guess those people would do it, or maybe big companies or something like that. But that's just so horrible. It's not even gonna get past the inflation. A long-standing concern in the Treasury market has been that broker-dealers might experience periods of limited capacity of their balance sheets to make markets, thanks to the post-2008 financial regulations that the limited risk banks could take. Most primary broker-dealers in the U.S. Treasury debt market are housed within large global banks. Indeed, analysts blame a lack of willing buyers and a crowd of sellers for the poor 7-year note auction. Left to sop up the rest of the unsold treasuries, dealers pushed yields higher in a bid to get the bonds off their books. Right, but see, there's a thing, because these rates are going, okay, so if I understand this right, the rates in the US now are up to being better than the Japanese ones, so I think there might be some Japanese money coming in to buy them, which would in turn push the prices down. So, yeah, I mean, that's just a lot of blah, blah, blah. That doesn't actually tell us really anything. I mean, what's the point? What's the takeaway here? The takeaway is that really not sure what's going to happen. Kind of what I took away from that one. We already knew what the yields were. All right, anyways, what else I got? Well, all right, here's one about Roblox. And then we could also do this one about some electric vehicle. Forget Neo and Xiaopeng? What? Okay, first let's do this one. So the Roblox, $45, Wednesdays, is telling us anything that we don't know. Good job, Market Watch. You sure are keeping an eye on those markets for us. Let's see. Okay, so this one. And then we're going to play some Roblox for the next 5-10 minutes. Right before the listing. What is this? Forget Neo and Xiaopeng. This company and Tesla will be the top 2 electric vehicle plays in 2025. What could it be? Lucid? Lee? Volkswagen, huh? Volkswagen. Get out of here. I don't believe that. What is it? By 2025? Yeah, maybe. Oh man, those Volkswagen ones really suck though. If you haven't watched the Doug DeMuro review on the, I think it was like ID3 or whatever that the Volkswagen one is called. Yeah, it looks like it sucks. Volkswagen Group. Audi, Porsche, Bentley. Okay, well that's true. Audi and Porsche, they are making electric plays, that's for sure. I saw some green license plates on the Audis and today actually, and Porsche as well. That's just a joke. Bentley, Bugatti, and Lamborghini, get out of here. But yeah, I mean, the Volkswagen is not going to come close to Tesla. It's a joke. And I mean, so far, Volkswagen is not doing anything interesting. And it's more expensive than the Model Y. So like, why would you even get it? Want to be different? You just want to have something that's not as good and more expensive. Yeah. Also with the Ford Mach-E, I think it's called. Wait, what's the point of those cars? They are expecting foreign demand to be strong because the yields are attractive. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I've heard that especially the interest coming from Japan should to my understanding push the yields down. But anyways, okay. So let's check it out then. What is this? Dinosaur something? Okay, what are these things here? Let's play. Play some Dinosaur. What? What? Why am I underwater? Oh, QE to swim up and down? You died? What? What the? Oh, yes, please don't spawn in the water. Jeez, okay. I'm a dinosaur. Okay, this is cool. I guess being a dinosaur is cool. What's this? That's a dinosaur? That's a big one though. But I'm a triceratops, so should be fine. So I just go and fight him or something? I wonder if these are edible. Yeah? How do I eat? Uh, R? Well, uh-oh, what's it? Wait a minute, there's a dinosaur there. What is this thing? I don't. Wow, a triceratops can jump. So, so I'm pretty sure I just click to. I swear I can't wait for this thing to get. This. Where'd you go? Yeah, I definitely feel like shorting stock. What is this? But I mean, I guess for kids it's popular, but this is, and I just tried 3 games. Some were, these all the games were recommended. This is don't really get it. What's the point? There's a dinosaur, look. Okay. Alright, do I fight him? Maybe I don't fight him. Maybe this is just a survival because I have a hunger bar. Oh, okay. What's this? Maybe we can fight him. He looks pretty cool. Am I dead? Huh? No, I'm not dead? What did he say? He said I'm stupid? That's cool. Yeah, I am actually. Come here. How do I talk to this guy? Sneak up on him and stab him right in the behind quarters. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna have to kill this guy. Did I get him? I think so. Welcome to the salty side of DS. Do you mind, Mr. Trike? I don't know, bro. What I'm doing, I'm just trying to kill you. You mind? LOL. This is fun though. I'm having a blast. Whoa. Hello there. Yeah. Take him out. Well, oh yeah, it's Roblox. It's Dinosaur Survival. No, I wasn't playing Roblox the whole time, Monica. I was looking at some other stuff, heckling Market Watch. You know, the usual. But yeah, I don't really get it. I don't really get this. All right, I gotta watch the time. It's only 5 minutes until market opens, so we're gonna see. But I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling it. What's the point? What am I supposed to do? You also get bigger over time if you eat ferns and water. Why would I want to do that though? Why is that fun? Fashion famous? Okay. I'll do it. This is not fun at all. What, you just like run around eating stuff and then what? Bad Business is a good game. I know Roblox does open in 4 minutes. I know, we're getting ready for it, guys. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and the notification button. We're gonna be streaming Roblox every single day at opening bell. Every single day that I own some Roblox stock, we're gonna be streaming Roblox. You know, we're gonna be putting in the work, showing some support. You know what I mean? But anyways, this is not my game. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of other ones. You know, there must be. So that was fun though. I had no idea what I'm doing. I'm a Triceratops trying to kill a T-Rex or something. And there wasn't even any instructions, but okay. So let's check this Roblox out. Here we go. Wow, they got the description up. Good stuff. No chart. Do they have the financials? They don't have it yet. Analysts. Wow. Based on one analyst. Yeah. One person says buy. At least we know one person will be buying it. And price target is $60. I think that's actually pretty reasonable. We might even see $60 tonight. I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know how much money I'm going to put into this. How's everything else doing here? Ooh, stocks was up 5.5. We're going to be playing a lot of Roblox. Smoking cigars, drinking whiskey, playing Roblox. Sounds like a pretty good life to me. Watching Soxel just boon. That's all we really need. Soxel and Tesla. That's all we really need. What more do you want? Tesla is shooting up 20% yesterday. Wow, that is a rainbow right there. The highest is 1240. Yeah, my price target is actually 1200, and that's over by the end of the year. And yeah, it's actually, I think it could go a lot higher. Oh my god, a price target of 67 on Tesla. Get out of here. Get out of here. But anyways, Tesla is moving up. It's past 700 actually right now. This is good news. Good news for my poor portfolio, but anyways, Soxel's moving up. Everything's moving up. Even the energy is moving up. FAS is up 1%. I sold that actually yesterday, but that's okay because these things are moving up too, so that's fine for me. And then the other one I care about right now would be Apple. Well, I care about the ARKs as well. Apple is up only 0.5%, but that's okay. Better than nothing. And then how are the ARKs doing? How much time we got? We got 1 minute. ARKs are up. Okay, here we go, guys. Good luck trading your Roblox. The plan is to buy. Plan is to buy it. Wait for it to pump. Just place the buy limit on Roblox. Yeah, I guess so, huh? We could do that. All right, here we go then. Let me get mine in. Let's see, I want to get probably 100 shares. I wonder if I could sell the covered calls. No, they're not gonna have options. All right, markets should be open. Let's get it in, boys. The stock is currently halted by exchanges. Only limit orders are allowed to open up positions right now. Okay, so limit order for $45. Okay. Well. Okay. Immediately suspended Roblox. I don't think they suspended it as more of just getting prepared for the onslaught. But usually these don't trade until afternoon. Usually IPOs aren't even available until afternoon, so that's not super weird. Although I heard they were going to be available at 9. So we'll see. But yes. It doesn't matter. We can play. I can play Roblox until like all night if I need to. I can run around as a Triceratops if that's gonna help out. You know, if that's gonna help out, I'm just trying to do my part. Do my part for the Roblox. But anyways, guys, well, let me just go ahead and get this buy order in. Yeah, we have to enter limit prices because it hasn't officially IPO'd. But it's okay though. Yeah, they're preparing. All right, well, let me get this posted on my Twitter. If you're not already following my Twitter, please go ahead and do that. It's real_ZLParker. Please go ahead and do that. Find the link in the description for the Twitter. Here we go. Roblox, baby, we're going. Cool. Okay, so we're rolling on the Roblox. I mean, we don't have any yet, but we good. And this Nightbot in the chat is kind of annoying, huh? We might have to fix that. What to expect? Okay, so I think that today, I think it'll probably start moving up because of the volume. I think maybe it'll hit $60. I could be wrong about that. And eventually it's going to start selling off. And I personally think it's going to be, I think it's going to dip below 45. I personally do, because there's no lockup period. So I think the early investors in this are going to dump to take profits, and I don't blame them. Oh yeah, we are okay. Oh, I see some movement. Saw some movement up here. I kind of want to market order 100 shares. Wait, I don't want to market order 100 shares. What am I thinking? Hold on. I don't want to do that. That's $4,500. Hold on. I was thinking $450. Oh man, I'm stupid. Getting all too excited here. Cancel it, please. Okay, cancel that. Safe to say. Jeez. Sorry guys, I actually don't want to put $4,500 into this right now. I want to put $450 into this right now. And we could put a little bit more than that, but I think for now we're going to do limit for 450. My mistake. I swear I didn't mean to do that. But anyways. Yes, so I put a good $450 into Roblox because I'm going to wait for it to start selling off. Gonna go ahead and run up. Think it's going to dump. And once it starts dumping, I'll sell my shares. I'll start shorting it probably. I don't even know if I'm going to have an option to short it. I assume. Oh, it says this security is not available for short selling. Well, I guess that could be good news for the Roblox bulls. Interesting. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the markets right now. Okay. So it looks like Clean Energy is leading the way, followed by ARK-K. 420 ETF is in 4th place. ARK-Q Buzz is actually up 2%, so that's good. What is down? Anything down? Nothing's down. The SPAC ETF is actually pretty much breaking even right now, so that's cool. OGIG, I want to pick some of those up, but kind of always late for me to pick them up, but whatever. Nasdaq is up 1%. And where's the semis? Semis dropped a little bit. Okay. TQQQ is still 3%. Soxl is 2%. Yeah. In honor of your error, I just upped my buy into 100 shares. All right, good for you. You're probably going to make a bunch of money. Hello, everyone. If this is your first time joining the stream, yes, I'm probably going to end up shorting Roblox. Although, who really knows, though, what's going to happen? It doesn't seem like it's available so far. Let's see what's going on here. Still not. That's okay though. We've got our limit order in for 45. Who knows if that's even going to hit though? But I assume, you know, we could put our limit order in for 46, and then we would be able to get it if we couldn't get it for 45 immediately. So maybe it would maybe it jumps up. Even if it jumped up 1 penny too fast, then at least we could get it for 45.01. So if we put in the limit order for 46, so I think could do something like that, but I'm not really in a very big rush getting this because I eventually kind of want to short it. I don't know if we're going to be able to short it, but we'll see. We will see. Nano Dimensions is up 7.8%. That is awesome. Nano has been rocking the last couple of days. Well, anyways, it is what it is. We still can't get any of this, and everything's doing all right. Even Amazon's up 0.6%. Soxel definitely dropping off a little bit. It was up like, yeah, it was up like, oh man, wasn't it up like 5% in the pre-market, wasn't it? Yeah. Okay. Definitely selling off a little bit here. That was a nice run up though. Wow. So that's okay. Hopefully this moves back to the 50 and it'll come back up. We'll keep watching it, although not in a super big rush. The FAS is actually up 2.4. That's pretty good. I mean, if the tech starts recovering, I don't really want to have such a big position in the FAS. I prefer to put the money into tech stocks that have gotten beat down instead of putting it into the financial ones, which I still nothing going on with Roblox. Okay. But what about the TNX? 10-year treasury is 1.546%. So it's down. Graph is, I feel. Wasn't that 1.6 a few hours ago? Oop. It was. Well, nevertheless, it's 1.546% yield. Okay, Apple has taken a turn for the worst. Okay, so that's selling off pretty hard. Is everything going in this direction? Yeah. Pretty much. Yep. Okay, that's okay though. So now the oil and financial is leading the way here. Still, we are okay. We're doing okay, but anyways, we'll see what's going on later. Focus on the Roblox for now. I would like to stream more, but stream more of the Roblox. But I'm kind of anticipating this thing to come online anytime soon. Yep. I also thought this was going to open up earlier. Why would you short Roblox so early? Because I have a limit order actually in for 10 shares. All 10 shares, $450. I don't want to go so big on it. So I mean, pretty much the goal would be buy it right out the initial pump, and then when it starts dumping, which I do think it will, yeah, I do think it will dump, and then start shorting it when it starts dumping. Sell the shares and start shorting. And I do think it's going to dump because it is a DPO, not an IPO, which I actually just found out today. I thought it was an IPO, so there's not a lockup period. So usually for IPOs there would be like 180 days lockups, where the early investors that have hundreds of thousands of shares can't just sell them all before 180 days. So with the DPO they can, and that actually changed. It was going to be An IPO. Finally got out of the red in my portfolio after today. Still red in a lot of positions, but hey, one step at a time. Good for you. It is one step at a time. It's a difficult time to be trading tech and growth and innovation strategies right now, but it'll pay off though. A few months later, we'll look back to this and be like, no sweat, made a bunch of money. We're gonna make a lot of money though. Dollar cost averaging into the tech growth right now, it's gonna pay off. Because that's those companies like Apple and Google and Facebook and Roblox, they're not going anywhere. They're still going to be here, and they're still going to, I mean, they have revolutionized and made huge impacts on the last decade. They're not going anywhere. They're just starting. You think when people go back to normal and when the economy opens up, the country opens up, people go, you think they're going to stop online shopping now that so many more people have gotten used to online shopping? You think they're just going to be like, nah, I prefer to just go to a big box retailer? Or you think like, oh, just pull out our smartphones and scroll through the Amazon and buy stuff? You know what I mean? I don't think people are going to change, or even like Square and the CashApp, like just use our QRs, pay for things. That's going forward should be more. So I just don't see it. I don't see it. So eventually this strategy of buying the dip, buying the tech, it's a little bit painful right now for sure, but eventually it should pay. So I'm not really sure what's going on with Roblox, but it is what it is. PayPal's up. All right. Looks like, okay, looks like things are moving towards the north right now. Stoxel is up almost 4 and 3.5 right now. Q is up, and oil is too. The financial is also up 4%. That's pretty good. Interesting. So what's the TNX then? Still 1542. So it was 1546, right? So it's down a smidge. Don't really know what to think about it, but can you answer my question, please? Buying period for private entities for Roblox? What are you talking about? I don't understand. You mean the lockup? So there is no lockup, so that means the early investors that have the shares right now that they've already invested in Roblox raised capital. When they raise capital, the company Roblox raised the capital to invest before, just for example, then those investors would have shares right now before anybody. So they would, just they would, I mean, they can get their money back if they sell them all, and they can make a lot of money, and they're investors, so that's kind of the goal. So you would just assume that they're going to sell some, maybe people will sell all. I'm not sure. I don't think it's suspended. I just thought it was not live yet. I thought they were getting ready. I don't know. I was about to go and start Googling this. How much do I think it's going to drop? I mean, can't really say. Who knows? Anybody knows? Let me know if you know. I would say probably $40 around. I don't know. Really don't. To be safe, I would say, but saying this doesn't mean anything because nobody knows. But it doesn't really matter because you short it or you buy it if you think it's going to go up, and then you sell periodically. Close your position periodically, no matter if it's up or down. You can get an average price. I think that's the thing. Jordan, assuming the Roblox order fills for 45, 46, how will you track when to sell or if it... So that, I mean, it's hard to say. But I mean, I'm gonna just watch it and see the momentum. If it starts pulling back, then I'll just be like, okay, start closing some positions. Probably would market close them because these things are gonna move very fast. But it's good that you guys are gonna have some experience under your belt if you're new traders about trading on an IPO. I mean, that's always good, but just be a little bit careful because this could go up to 100 and it could also go down to 25. So who really knows? But of course, we will find out soon. Seems like the treasury just went up a little bit. So has that affected anything? Not really, but oil is turning around and Soxel is heading towards the sky. Also financial turnaround too. Oof. Gonna be one of these days, is it? Anyways, hopefully Soxel can go up another 20% today. Don't even need to look at this Weevil. We could just play Roblox. But anyway, so let me do some searching around on Google. See if I can find any information. I know everybody wants to know when's it gonna... Jumia $10+ in 2 days. I know, right? That was a good call. It's just, I mean, Jumia is the African Amazon. In Africa, it's like an emerging market, a very, very, very large emerging market, and I think it's time to get on that. And especially if, just imagine, and this might be far out and I might be crazy, but just imagine if Starlink gave internet to a lot of new Africans. I mean, like, new places in Africa could have internet which previously didn't, and then they're just all like shopping around on Jumia. That would be cool, right? But I think it's a good play. But that one is volatile though, because it is an African Amazon. I mean, I expect that one to be volatile, but they do have a really big market share as far as I know, so it could be a really good place. Just everything's just getting smashed right now, and things like that will get smashed much worse. Yeah. Anyways, so let me go around on the Google. See what's going on. See, maybe Market Watch. Maybe Market Watch can enlighten us. The stimmy money isn't going to be spent. Bank of America says. Nancy Pelosi. Old. Sorry, Nancy. That's a cool mask, though. I gotta be honest with you. That is a pretty cool mask. Okay. Let's see if we can read this one again. I want to go ahead and see. It doesn't say. I mean, Yahoo Finance is just saying on March 10th, so it doesn't say. Who knows? Yeah, not gonna really know. That's okay. Anyways, wonder if it ever falls then by the dip. I mean, are you talking about Jumi or are you talking about Roblox? Because I think Roblox will. It's just so hype. If you guys read the report that I did today, which we actually can check out. So it's on prostockadvice.com. If you don't find the link in the description, or just go to prostockadvice.com/blog. And while you're there, go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page. And this is my personal website. And go ahead and enter your email address in here. And you're going to get daily notifications when we have a juicy write-up available. And I spent a decent amount of time in this one, although I feel like it was underappreciated, to be honest with you. And I thought the Roblox hype was going to be huge, but I mean, there's actually a lot of people that were just like, yeah, not really interested in Roblox. But anyways, my key points on Roblox was that the valuation recently just went up from 4 billion to 29.5 billion, which is crazy. Although I like the idea of Roblox overall, it seems cool. It's not for me, obviously. But I guess if I was playing with the kids, like, I mean, my kids or kids I know, you know what I mean? Then it would be cool. Like a private server or something like that. And I like the model overall, but I'm a little bit worried about the ARPDAU. ARPDAU is only a nickel per user, so that is pretty low as far as I could tell. The average is for casual gaming is 10 cents. And this doesn't really seem like, is it casual gaming? Is it really considered casual gaming? Because even Pokemon Go has a 25-cent ARPDAU. And if you guys don't know, ARPDAU is the average revenue per daily active user. Yeah. So basically how much money a daily user is going to spend, which is only a nickel. So yeah, that's not very much money, but hey, it's okay because they're getting a lot of players and a lot of active users, and the growth crazy. And actually in 2020 they paid their creators, their content creators, which are apparently are kids, $250 million. So that's interesting, although they might not be kids. That's what I'm starting to think. But anyways, I might try that. I might try to make a game in the Roblox, make a stock investment. Yes, that would be cool. Maybe a meme stock investing game. That could be very popular, actually. But yeah. So one thing that is positive is the free cash flow went from 6 million to 292.6 million in 2020. So that's crazy. The retention, the average retention rate is not that great. It's only 23 months. And it didn't improve. 2019 and 2020 was only 23 months. And then I thought there was going to be a lockup for Roblox. So I was like, okay, well, I'm going to buy it. That's safe. No whales are going to dump. You know, the funniest thing happened because I literally like Googled, is there a lockup period for Roblox? And the Google said at the very top, the lockup period is 180 days, period. Okay. So I went on to write this and I made a video on it and I posted it on Reddit, and people were like, no, Zach, there is no lockup. This is not an IPO, it's a DPO. And I'm just like, what? I just saw that. So that's really stupid. And then I look more into it and I try to Google the exact same thing and I couldn't find it anymore. So it was really weird. I guess Google sometimes does that. So I thought it was going to be an IPO, but it's not. It's a DPO. So all that means is people are going to dump these shares. And let's be honest, if I was an early investor, I ask myself, would I dump the shares today? Yes, I absolutely would. Because there is a lot of hype. People think this is going to go super up, which it probably will at first when it opens. And then I would just dump it. Why not? I invested in Roblox a long time ago. Put a lot of money into this, and I want to see some money back. And now I have these shares now as a public company, so I could just sell them anytime I want to get my investment back and get some return. So yeah, obviously I'm going to do that. So nothing against those guys, those investors. Just how a business is, so just be aware. All we need to do is just be aware. They're probably going to do that. But hey, I mean, maybe some of those guys, they're like, well, you know, $45 is nothing. $29.5 billion company is nothing. This is going to the moon. I don't know how they think. But 29.5 billion, I'm sure they realize that jumping from 4 billion valuation to 29.5 billion in only a month from, oh, I mean, when it jumped up, that's crazy. $45 puts the valuation at, good question, 24.77 beat. So we're getting a discount. $45 is a discount, right? We should feel lucky that the billionaire investors are giving us a discount in the Roblox. But I don't know. I mean, there's just not very much money to be made in this. That's the issue, because there's no options. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna risk what? I was planning on risking $450 for 10 shares, and then hopefully it goes up. I hopefully can sell them for profit, 60, maybe for $600, $60 a share. I made a cool $150. Then I start shorting it, but I wouldn't put much money into this though. That's a problem. That's just the problem, because it's so unknown, and that valuation, and that they're still in the negative, and they're running even more in the negative. What was the number? The net losses grew from 50 million in 2019 to 206 million in 2020. And I'm not saying it's wasteful spending. I think they're spending it in great places, but they should try to get that ARPDAU up though, right? I don't know what I'm talking about. Don't listen to me. I am not a expert in this video gaming industry. When does Roblox open? I don't know. I want to know though. I want to know. I'm thinking I want to play some more Roblox. Just downloaded it and played it for the first time today, and kind of sucks so far. So I want to try to find something that I would like more. Although I'm an older man, and I don't think that this game is gonna suit me. I don't really play video games. March 10th, 2022. That's a funny joke, actually. Seems like it, right? No, it's today. It's today at some point, but hey, it's not now. It's lame, yeah, it is kind of lame. So how are the markets doing? Okay, they're turning back. Oh, no, they're not. Oh wait, yeah, they are. Okay, so Soxel is back to 2.5. 2.5, yeah. Echo is 2. Energy's not doing very well. Oil is doing okay. Financial is doing pretty good, actually. I mean, I'll take 2%. My portfolio is how up a little bit. Okay. Up 2.8%. It's okay. So, how about that GameStop? Let's do it. Let's do our meme, guys. Are you ready? We took a poll yesterday. Let's go ahead and look at that poll. You guys are pretty funny. I'm just reading the chat if chance. But yeah, there was this poll I did on the Twitter. Gosh, this Roblox math puzzle was so hard. I tried that off and on. I think I probably spent 20-25 minutes on this today in total, off and on all day. It says pick the image with the dice adding up to 14. You know how hard that is to count? Like, first of all, this is not really clear. I'm kind of squinting. you know, and there's different colored dice. I don't know, it just threw me off. Because the problem is there's a time limit. They only give you like 7 seconds to figure out which one has 14. It's really difficult. And you had to do it 10 times. Gosh, and finally I just gave up. And yeah, signed up on mobile and gave me to choose the penguin, which was much easier. Okay, where's my poll? Where's my poll? Here we are. So, what did you expect, guys? The choices was GameStop, BlackBerry, Sundial, and Zomedica. And obviously, it was GameStop. I mean, if you put, it doesn't matter what the question is, but if you make a poll and one of the choices is GameStop, GameStop is going to win. It doesn't matter what the question is. GameStop will win. People see GME, they click. They're simple people. But yeah, there 100 to 24 people voted on it, so it's pretty good numbers. Pretty good numbers. So there we go. We're gonna do it. Okay. GameStop 295. I mean, pumping though. Maybe we should do this tomorrow. It's already up 20%. Well, geez. Should we buy into it now? I mean, that's totally against my um trading strategies, beliefs. That's totally against it. If I was interested, I would have bought down here. Or even here. Somewhere down here. Now is kind of late, but doing it for the meme. Since we're doing it for the meme, let's do it. Who's with me? We're going in. Going in. Let's see if we can find something for only $100 though. 2 days out. We're gonna do 2 days out. What's gonna cost $100? Cheapest is the 800 strike. Whatever. First of all, I'm gonna put my limit order in for $1. And I'm placing it. We are placing this order. Okay, let me send it. I got the screenshot. Okay, it's off and away. GameStop. 800 strike. 2 days till expiration. $100. Seems like a waste of $100 to me. But you never know. This could take off. Already up 83% today, so if we got it at opening, could have made $83. It's a lot of money. And I think this one actually wouldn't do so bad because it's the cheapest one. So if people actually want to only put in $100 or so, I think that could be appealing. Whatever though. Okay, so let me post that on Twitter. The winner of the which meme stock should be Pro Stock Gang put $100 into was GameStop. All right, that is off and away on the Twitter. Well, So it seems like it's going to be 11 EST. So that's what, in like 50 minutes? Oh. From what I can see. GameStop almost at 300, then it's going to tank, I know, right? Feeling risky, puts for game fall after 300. That's true. Did we say it had to be a call? Or could it be a put? That's a good point. Gosh, the put's $52,000 for that 800 strike. Oh, hey, looks better. Cheaper. Well, it's going down now. A little bit. I mean, we might as well get this one. $5 put. You never know. It only cost us $1. Never know. But I mean, more like interesting could be a $100 put around the 120 strike. We could try to set a limit order for the 140 strike, see if it hits. That would be interesting because I just feel like there is definitely a chance that it might start plummeting. It's not like we haven't seen that before. So, to be honest with you, I don't know. Yeah, anyways, doesn't matter. Whatever. This is just like a let's lose $100 on meme stocks every week thing that we're doing here, so it doesn't really matter. And not to mention, I don't even think my limit order would even hit. Well, I say that down a little bit. Not enough rockets on that tweet, I know. Or some diamond hands or something. I mean, you can't really have diamond hands when it's only 2 days till expiration, so... When does Roblox open? I think it's going to be 11 a.m. EST. So it seems like that's in 50 minutes. So, cool. We got some time. Let's see how everything's doing. Socks, so... Okay, so semis are on the way down. Semis look like they are on the way down. Tech, it's okay. Actually. Tech is doing okay. NASDAQ is... T-Triple Q is up 3. Let's see how about ARC. Okay, the ARCs are up 2.5, 3. Print's up 2. Buzz is up 1 and 1.8. The lithium battery plays up. NASDAQ is up 1%. I mean, that's pretty good. Considering it's up 3% yesterday. Let's take a look at the chart on the NASDAQ to make ourselves feel good. But yeah, it's on the up and up, that's for sure. 4-hour chart. So there's the dip for you. Sploosh. And you know what? That's the funniest part, because that line that we drew was exactly the slope and exactly the length of the September dip. That's to a T. I mean, assuming that this is not a bull trap. I mean, I don't know. It could be a bull trap. I mean, what if it goes down a little bit, just kind of roughs up in here? Or if it catches this trend. By the way, what is this trend that I drew? Let me look at it. Oh, okay, cool. So yeah, if it could pass this, this is probably not the best trend anyways. I don't know. Anyways, this is... doesn't matter. The 50-day moving average would be something we'd be looking for. And the 50-day moving average is $320. So at least if the NASDAQ, if the triple Q could go to 315 today, I would feel pretty good. I would feel extremely good. Because yesterday was such a good day, and I mean, let's be honest, if we sell off today, it's not that big of a surprise. But this is an up. This is looking like it's going to be a V-shaped tech recovery. Assuming that that was the bottom, which I think there's a decent probability of it being the bottom, because that's like I said, that's the exact slope and the exact length of the dip from September. Although that could just be a little bit superstitious. I don't know. These things don't really mean anything, anyways. I think, in my opinion, I think the fundamentals mean everything. But of course, we do our technical analysis, and hopefully it means something, right? But anyways, the 10-year, it's come down from the high, but that also doesn't really mean anything because it's also come down a few times before. So, but really, this one was the bad one, right? That was on the 25th. So if we go look at the NASDAQ on the 25th, I bet you it's a huge red candle. The 25th of, oh, it'd be the 25th of February. Yep, it was this one actually. It was this one, and then people started getting more worried. Maybe not though, because it did go up a little bit. Anyways, I guess nothing really makes sense, right? Nothing really makes sense. It's all opposite day here. Welcome to the stock market. It's all is opposite day. So far everything is not so bad today. It's better than I expected. Actually, I expected a sell-off. Clean energy and renewable energy is doing good. OGIG is the next one I want to buy, but when do you really want to buy it? Question. SPAC X. SPAC ETF is moving up. Got a limit order. Doesn't look like it's going to hit, but we're patient. And the semis are about to go back to what it opened at. Buzz could be interesting, but it's actually gapped up. 2%. Yeah, I figured that one would be good, and to be fair, it's got a recovery plays in it too. So that's the interesting thing for me. Wouldn't be bad to buy a put at $50 for GME in the near future. Still a chance that it can go back down. Well, I agree, but how much money you really want to put in it? And then it's like, is it even worth it? Well, let's look at it. I mean, if it did run up to 400, then I would seriously start considering putting a chunk. I don't know how much I would put, maybe a couple $1,000 into some puts. To be honest, who really thinks this is worth that much money? It's just not. Sorry to say it. I'm sorry to say, but it's just not worth that much. So I don't want to short it though. Oh, thank you. But just in case it gets squeezed. But yeah, I'd buy some puts. Why not? So we could do like a 16-day or a 9-day. Probably would be cheap. $50 strike. You're saying? Yeah, it's not much money. I mean, see, that's something I'm more interested in doing with our $100, to be honest with you. Because we could take the $100, we could get right around $60 strike, you know? Or even do like a $70 strike and put a limit order or something. Because I don't know if it will go back down to 70 and this is 9 days. So 70 would be actually really close, a little bit lower than the 50-day moving average. So in 9 days, took 1, 2, 3. Well, let's see. How many days did it take to crash? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 or 5 days. So, yeah, interesting. But this could also run up for a couple more days. So, and that's just total estimation. If we did 60 days, I think it'd be more expensive. 9 days seems like it could be interesting because it's such little money that it doesn't really matter. And you know, it's obviously it's almost $300. Like obviously, would rather buy puts than buy, right? But it's opposite day, so maybe we should buy the calls. Yeah, we're gonna buy the calls. It's opposite day. Nothing makes sense. So, for sure. For sure. Apple's down 0.5%, but that's okay because it was up 4% yesterday, so it's okay, Apple. You can take a day off, I guess. A day off. Alright, let's see what the damage is. Okay, Soxel's up 1%. Hopefully it can hold. It almost went to the opening. Oh, it seems to be bouncing back up. Go to the 1 minute chart. That'll be fun. Usually don't ever play with those things very much. This looks cool though. One also does. Anyways. Okay. Come on. I don't want to be on the 1 minute chart. Alright, we're just messing around now. Nothing really going on, huh? Just gonna have to wait this out. Oil is going up a decent amount. Financial sector is up 3.5, but it seems to be a little bit flat. Energy is moving up. That would have been a good buy when it dipped down earlier. Dow is doing good, by the way. It's up like 1% today, which is pretty good. Is that all-time high? Wonder. I guess it would be, huh? Yeah. Wow, well, congratulations. Dow just hit the all-time high. Again. It's good, it's good. And really the next thing on my mind would be Tesla. GameStop, AMC are both the big winners. ACTC, DraftKings. Man, those are all our picks, but those are all the ones that I cut. And yep, if this is the Reggie is up almost 8, that's cool. But if this was the end of the dip, the tech winter, it was a good time to be getting in some calls for some of our old picks, huh? But I'm still skeptical. I think I have a healthy skepticism. Oh wow, Bitcoin's up to 56. Oof, missed that one. Oh, it's nearing the top Bollinger Band. Okay, what about ETH? I have some ETH. Okay. Wait closer to $2,000. I'd probably start selling a little bit. Bitcoin's doing good though. Congratulations to anybody holding Bitcoin. Congratulations. All right, what time is it? We still have quite a while, I guess, huh? Xiaopeng. That's another thing. Sorry to disappoint you guys, but I think that I tried to find a Li Xiaopeng to rent, and just having a hard time. I wanted to go like they have like some Chinese like Hertz or Avis, and they actually have Hertz. Rent a car, but they don't have any of the, and they have some smaller rental car places in Shanghai, but they don't have the Xiaopengs and the Lis, and they have Lis, but not in Shanghai, so I'd have to go to another city to rent it, which is I would prefer to just stand in a parking lot and then just try to meet someone with one, to be honest with you. I'm not sure if I do that, but if I ever run into somebody, for sure I'll bring that up. So I'm having a little bit of a hard time. And even in Neo they don't have. And that's weird because Neos are everywhere here. But I think it has to do with their electric, so they just don't have the infrastructure to charge them in the rental car places, I guess. Because they have to park them in a parking garage and they might not have chargers there. Just my thoughts of why they don't have the electric cars. So yeah. I don't know, I'm having trouble, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but this weekend, actually, I wanted to tell you guys Friday I need to take the day off on Friday from live streaming. I have to go somewhere. I'm actually going to Disney in Shanghai. So I'm not gonna be able to stream on Friday night. Sorry guys. But I'll still be posting everything for sure. If I have any trades going on, I'll be on mobile, I guess. I'll probably bring my laptop, but yeah, I'll be posting stuff on Twitter for sure. I'm not really feeling anything right now. I'm still kind of waiting this out. Just having double confirmation Green Day, really. Like 2 Green Days in a row, and then I'll be like, okay. It might be ending here. 60-65 for Roblox, huh? That's true. We should watch that. Can we turn on the news here? Is it possible? And am I gonna get my video taken down or something? Good point, actually. Live stream Disney. I might make a video. You guys want? I could. Like the Neo video that I made, so it'd be more of that style. Like I'm going around doing some stuff, riding a roller coaster, showing you guys Shanghai Disney, which is nothing to do with stocks, but you know, I can always go get on the roller coaster and talk about stocks, you know. Talk about our Roblox that we bought or something like that. But yeah, I mean, I could make a video of this. I'm gonna be there all weekend too. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I think I'll be back to normal. So next week for sure, and then next week I will go to the Xiaopeng store. Um, that's for sure. I will find some time to do that and see if I can test drive one at least. But I wanted to get a Li, so next time I'm not in Shanghai, next time I go out of Shanghai, then I'll try to rent one in another city. Anyways. Okay, cool. All right, all right. Keep all those things in mind. Appreciate you guys' support. I really do. You guys are really awesome, especially my regulars on the live stream. And I really am happy that all of these newcomers are here. Let me know where you're coming from. Are you coming from Reddit or are you just coming from YouTube? Let me know where you're finding us. We have a really good community here, and we have a Discord. So if you guys go ahead and link in the description to the Discord server, we have great conversations and stuff. Shanghai Disney is so cool. Would definitely go on the Tron coaster. Yes, that's right. Tron. How'd you know that there's a Tron coaster? They do have a Tron coaster. I've been on that one so many times. I've been on everything so many times. I go all the time to Disney. Point where it's not fun anymore. But look at Disney stock. It's doing rather well. It's done well in the dip. Set all-time high 2 days ago. Pretty sure that's all-time high. Oh yeah. Like down here, people are buying this for like 3 cents. 1962. Wow. 1962. It was 3 cents. And then it went up to $1.74. I bet you people thought that was crazy. I bet you people thought that that was a bubble. And then look what's happened. This little peak seems like nothing. That was 1990. Whoa, that escalated quickly. 1962 to 1990. And then look, I bet you people thought that was a bubble too. Especially when it crashed. And look, I bet you people thought that was a bubble too. Just keeps going. The stock market, it's designed so there's no ceiling. There's a floor, but there's no ceiling. Things could always just go up. Interesting one is IPOF is actually down today. Interesting. 1150, huh? I mean, I kind of want to set an order for 10. I know that might not. I would do it though, anyways. But yeah, I seriously doubt that's gonna hit. I mean, we could do like 1050, which is possible because it dipped down to 1062 a couple days ago. I just did 80 shares at 65. Yeah, man, I don't know, 65, that puts the valuation at even more though. Because it's at 45, so it's 24.77 billion. And then you're saying 65? So what's that? 44% higher? 24.77B. Is my math right? So that puts the valuation at a 35.77B. Right? Is that math right? I'm pretty sure. Are you investing in Roblox? Yes, I am. I am investing in Roblox as soon as I can. Unless it's like, oh, voxel's down, huh? I'm not that surprised. It was up 20% yesterday, no? Seems like a lot of things are pulling back. Okay, voxel's down 1%. Seems like it's turning around. Tech also breaking even right now. Nasdaq up or Nasdaq is breaking even too. But what's good? Even oil dipped down too. Financial sector Dow, it's looking pretty nice actually. Energy dipped a little bit. S&P, everything is down. I'm actually tempted to wait for one of these dips and buy back into the financials. $9 maybe, I could. We'll wait and see. Wait and see how everything goes. And then the 10-year. Yeah, I'm not really planning on making any more moves today. Orders so far. Well, we have that one crazy GameStop. Then we have the Roblox 10 shares at 45, although that's probably not going to get hit. 3D printing, we're still looking at print, the VacQ, SpacX, Pershing, Buzz, and O, which if these start coming down, then we might get some. They might get filled, but other than that, O is up to $61 though. It's come up nicely. We were buying down here too. That's nice. Well, the weird thing is Mara is only up 2.84%, and it's actually been falling since open. Only up 3%. And the thing is, Bitcoin is up 4.5. I mean, that makes me think it's not priced in yet. Because we're watching that, usually it's like a 5x to Bitcoin price. I mean, to the daily, how much it's up every day. That almost makes me want to just put a cheap call in really quick. Today's maybe like more than 40, $42. Because if his Bitcoin is up 5%, I forgot what we calculated it before, but 5%, so I think at least 3x would be safe. So it should be more. Only up 3, so have a 12% to go. So $38, add in another 12% up. That's 42.5. Could be interesting. I'm kind of down for that. But then probably as soon as we do that, Bitcoin's going to pull back. So it's definitely a little bit risky. But we'll see. And also, this is going to depend on the 10-year overall. What's the market's doing? The 10-year, it's looking pretty stable. Yeah, I think this was just some jitters. Understand that? Chinese web is down a lot. What about OGIG? That's one I would like, actually. Well, okay. Down today. Let's get something going. I'd love to put money in this. Just start with 25 shares. And do 53. Not bad. If we can get it for 53, although I'd rather everything not drop more and just not get it. Now that I think about it. Now, why doesn't it have the dividend? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think 53 could be interesting. I mean, I really like this one. Is the global internet client. So it's got 20% Chinese and 60% American companies, and the rest around the world. Well, let's see. That's gonna hit. It's off and away though. I thought, why can't we trade? I thought it was a hit. That's funny. I honestly think that Roblox opening is not going to be as crazy as we expect. True, because I'd say most investor buy, they know about what they put in, so most people would invest if they know a little about it, or if their kids play with it. I just canceled my last order and placed one for 70 a share. It went through for me on Robinhood. Really? Share? Really? Expensive. It's starting to get up towards the $40 billion range. I'm gonna have to play some more of this Roblox. Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives is adding Apple to Wedbush best ideas list, saying the recent sell-off creates a golden buying opportunity with a $3 trillion valuation on the horizon. The firm reiterated an outperform rating, $175 price target, and 225 bull case. Yeah, I totally agree with it. I think my target on Apple was 180. Not even highest bull case. And that's from Wedbush. Well, guys, this one is the OGIG is actually selling off more. We might get it at 53. Might want to adjust to 52.5. Keeps falling. Tech is down a little bit. 3D printing is now down. Dow Jones is still at 0.8. Semis are selling off. Actually, everything is except for Dow. And then I assume oil and stuff. Energy, finance, oil. Okay. Voxel is down 2.8. That's not so bad though. Considering it's up like what? 20% yesterday or 15%, I forgot. And yeah. See how it goes. How about GameStop call? Is that ever gonna hit? Probably not. OGIG calls or just shares? So far I'm just doing shares. My SMH and XLK hedges? That's a good question. My SMH ones I already closed. They didn't do very well. The XLK ones are down a bunch, down 81%. Which, that's the interesting thing, is yesterday they actually went up. So if you think about that, XLK, and these are puts. So the puts actually went up when XLK was up a lot yesterday. It doesn't make sense, but the only thing that I can think of is because there was an increased demand for it. So people wanted to buy the puts more since the market was up because they thought it would be cheaper, right? Because usually if you want to buy a put, cheapest price is usually when the underlying is up a lot. So since yesterday it was up a lot, people were thinking about buying those puts, even though those puts were a lot more. When they were like up 200% yesterday. So 200% not from what I bought it at though. So anyways, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. It's very strange, but hey, it is what it is. Well, anyways, there's not much to be doing right now. I mean, we could try to get a limit order in for the Roblox. See if we can get something to hit. So who is buying it right now and where? Has anybody actually got it? I just can't. So the $70 share went through on Robinhood. Okay. I mean, we can try, so let's just do one. Just to see what we can get. Do $100 for one. See if it's gonna fill. So if it's, there is a large price gap between the price and the last price. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. So we're gonna get it for whatever we can get it for, less than $100. Theoretically. Iron Mountain, huh? Yeah, I was thinking about looking at that one. Yeah, those hedges were pretty disappointing, and I mean, there's such a low volume on those puts, so uh, for sure it makes sense. But actually, they were kind of acting like it was opposite day too, so that's unfortunate. But if we ever, I'm just gonna keep them. If we ever do see the market crash a bunch, then those would probably do pretty well. E-Trade still shows 45, huh? Yeah. So, where can we even buy it though? That's the question. I've got a limit order in for $100, so it's obviously not going through. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel it. Oh, something's moving back up. Back X, I'm up on Buzz, Vacuum Pershing. Pershing is a little bit down. I could average in more Pershing, although I do think I have a working order. Nope, yep. So this Roblox, I'm gonna cancel it. $1 was canceled, but I still have the 10 for 45. Although I doubt that's gonna get filled, but hey, we'll see. I mean, valuation supposedly it was 29.5 billion, but if we're talking about $70, that's about 37 billion. So that's up almost 10 billion in a few hours. That's pretty cool. But that's so wacko to me though. That's just how it is though. That's how the stock markets are. They're not always rational. Dow is still doing pretty well. S&P is bouncing back. NASDAQ, it's up. Tech is up a little bit. Anyways, so it's almost 11 EST, so we'll wait for 13 more minutes. I'm down, and then if not, then I'll just leave my limit orders and kind of chill for a little bit and come back and see you later. But check out the markets today. Hong Kong, what did Hong Kong end up doing? Hong Kong ended up. A bunch actually. Hong Kong ended up 0.5. Shanghai was flat. That's not bad. Walmart is up. Financials is mixed. Renewable. Oh, look at that. There's our Ballard Power. Plug. Ballard is up 2.6. That was one we called out. Oil and gas is doing well. Construction, home building. Okay. So renewable energy is still leading the way today. In school, college, and university. Diversified industrial goods wholesale. Real estate operations. Fintech. Home building, construction, and then oil and gas. Interesting. How about for the past 5 days? Oil and gas is up. Then consumer goods, home building, specialty retailers, natural gas, construction. Okay. Not all that interesting. Prometheus Biosciences is having an. We could apply. Get into it. BlackRock Innovation and Growth Trust. BIGZ, really? That one sounds interesting. Hmm. Yeah, that could be an interesting one. I'd have to look more into it. I'll keep that in mind. But BlackRock is obviously a big company, and then innovation and growth is of interest to me. Odds that Roblox will become a meme stock today? Yeah, I don't know because GameStop is doing pretty good. The original meme stocks are actually doing pretty well. So with you on that one, Zach. Leave my limit order and take a nap. Right? I mean, there's not much we can do here. Kind of some delayed gratification. $65 to $70 now. It's crazy. Well, whenever it, I mean, if it does go live in 9 minutes, then we can always just market buy. But where can you buy it now? You can. I'm sure you cannot. Where are you able to buy it? I haven't heard one place except for Robinhood, which is really. I mean, I literally can go on Robinhood. Check. Hard to believe. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, hey, I just saw the tip. Ed, thanks a lot. I appreciate that. Appreciate that, guys. You enjoy what I'm doing, and if you're making money on my picks, don't send me a lot, but send me a little bit. It makes me feel good. So, let's Roblox. I don't see any information here on Robinhood about it. Okay, whatever. But anyways, what options should we look at now? Is Roblox still worth getting into at 70 a share? I mean, I want my opinion, I'd say no. No. That's so hot. I played it. It's not that good, but I'm not a kid, so. And it is free, but free means they're not making money, so I don't know. I would say just no. Yep. Hard to say though. Anyways. Limit order for one share at $70 on Robinhood did not fill. Okay. That's good to know. Yeah, actually, I wouldn't even have been able to do that because Robinhood was restricted because I closed the account. I didn't even close it. They just, like, once you transfer out, they just, like, close it automatically. So, then I asked them to reopen it. And then they were like, well, and this was like, I asked them to reopen it by email. And then, like, 2 months later, they replied, we're like, oh, well, actually, the first time they replied in like 3 or 4 weeks, and they were like, okay, in a few business days, your account will be back to normal, like nothing happened. Because I was like, why'd you close it? And then, yeah, they never did that. So I emailed them again, like, hey, what's going on? You said you were gonna reopen it, and they're like, oh, well, if you need to reopen it, just apply it again. Apply for a new one, which is really weird. Why can't you just open that one back up? But whatever. Yeah, I mean, there's nowhere where you can actually buy it right now. We have to wait. We have to wait patiently to get some Roblox. Huh. Okay, well, if you're saying it worked, I believe you. But maybe it's more than 70 now. Maybe you'd have to do 75 or 100. I have two siblings who think Roblox is the greatest platform of all time. Well, they must be like 9. Almost every kid I know is hooked on it and begging their parents to buy Robux. Not all do though, and I doubt it can grow much. Most kids know about it. Roblo might add voice chat soon. Exciting times. Just so exciting. Every parent's nightmare for sure. And then it's like you have to like worry about the automatic drafting of your credit cards. That's the killer right there. I saw there was an app to manage all those things though, which could be interesting. But I wouldn't really want to give apps or websites or whatever any type of permissions for my banks or cards anyway, so. Yep, parents' nightmare. Those games are just crazy in the past couple years, really 5 years or so. Man, those iPad games, the pay to play, pay to win. Wow, they're so expensive. I remember back in the day, we could just pay like $30 at the Walmart or at the Target and get just a game, and then just go play it. Don't have to pay extra money once you're playing it, you know? Crazy. This capitalism, man. My boss's kids are hooked and I'm there every day, so I'll keep an eye on how much they play and buy. For sure. I mean, we know what the ARPDAO is. The ARPDAO is 5 cents per, well, 5 cents in revenue per daily active user, which is very low. Pokemon Go is 25 cents. And talking about some AAA titles like, God, I don't even know what AAA titles are these days, like Call of Duty and stuff like that, much higher. But yeah, the average on the App Store, I think I looked, 10 cents. This is even lower than the average. So it just doesn't really strike me as like, yeah, let's go buy it. Oh, Nasdaq is up a little bit now. Cool, cool. Yeah, I just look at this market. It's better than looking at my market screen on the Webull. I like Webull a lot. If you guys don't know this, I'm trading on Webull. It's very useful, as you can see right on this market tab. Go ahead and find the link in the description. If you sign up and deposit $100 only, you're gonna get 2 free stocks, and they're actually giving away AMC. So that's a pretty good deal right now, I would say. What, AMC is like $12, right? It's going up though. Stocks still down 1.6, huh? Although Nasdaq is up. Okay. So where's AMC? There you are. Yeah, it's 11.65 right now, so you could get 2 AMCs. So that's like $23, right? Pretty good. 23% ROI on your $100. If you haven't already, you should do it. It's much better than Robinhood and whatnot. Even I think it's better than E-Trade and Schwab, and Thinkorswim is good, but I personally prefer Webull. Also Moomoo I was considering going to, but their desktop app not good. Their mobile app is actually pretty good. Anyways. Anything worth buying? Wow, GE is finally down a lot. That's interesting. C-Web, that's the Chinese web, Chinese internet companies. Baidu. Probably that's why C-Web is down. This one could be interesting. I wouldn't recommend options. If you want to do options, I wouldn't recommend them on Chinese companies a lot because you never know what's going to happen, but yeah, the Chinese companies are selling off. Baidu is down, Alibaba is down. Apple is down 1%, but that's okay. I wish it would stay above 120, but that's okay. A lot of people are upgrading the targets on it. Just read that article. Push. Like. Yeah, I guess Roblox could just turn into a meme stock and it could go $300, $400, $500. It's possible, but I don't know. I just expect that those early investors are gonna dump. It's like their RuneScape. Wow, yeah. Yeah, I played RuneScape when I was in middle school. A little bit, but not. To be honest with you. How do you donate? Well, yeah, the links are in the description for the donation. So if you want to be featured on the stream, like at the top bar, or have some GIF come down and whatever, then you would do it through the link to Streamlabs in the description, and that would be through PayPal. Or if you prefer Venmo or Cash App, which I do actually, because PayPal is, yeah, PayPal takes their cut. What is this cut line on the chart? That's just a line that I didn't update yet, which I was planning on cutting it. I should move it down though, past the 180. I mean, Apple is literally trading on the 180. That is pretty surprising. I'm very surprised actually. It was up at 145 not very long ago. But yeah, I'm not gonna cut my Apple. I could just delete this line. This one is gonna get. But yeah, oh, is my target I had at 150? No, I'm pretty sure I had a 180 target. Let me double check that on my website. $175. Oh, okay. I had 175. That's actually what Wedbush just changed their target to. Oh, interesting. I thought it was 180, but okay. And how is AMD doing? Probably not good. Oh, it's up a little bit, but not much. This is a nice little V we got going on right here, but seriously would like to see 2 green days though, or I can have confirmation, and we might not. Although we almost have one. I think the hollow candles are better. Because even though we're up, this candle is still red because since open it's fallen down. I feel like a better representation is hollow candle. It doesn't really matter though. What do I like best? I don't know. Just stick with whatever. Actually, to be honest with you, I like lines. But yeah, I think most people don't. I think most people prefer candlesticks. But I could be wrong. It's assumed. And especially if we're doing these analyses. For sure, candlesticks are better. But I personally like to look at lines. Do I use stop losses at all? Yeah, I mean, I do, but not really so much on common stock or options that I'm doing, because a lot of the options I'm doing is very far out. I'm not doing very many short-term options. So I don't really use it because I literally I just manage it all manually. But I'll cut, like if it's down 50, if an option is down 50%, like yeah, I'll cut it for sure. But again, sometimes it's going to depend on if I think that it's about to turn around, or it just depends on what's going on, the sentiment, fundamentals, and stuff like that. So I might not actually. I might let it ride 60, negative 60, 70%, whatever. But it just depends. But see, if I was trading futures, then yeah, I would use stop losses. But see, that's the thing, because I traded futures in Asia and for a while, and actually a lot of cryptocurrency futures. So, gosh, those are just brutal to trade, and like day trade. I mean, and oof, yeah, I would use stop losses because it's just so risky. But then it's like, oh man, then the just gonna go ahead and just barely touch your stop loss and then just shoot right back up, just like a market watch trampoline. So literally bounce right off those stop losses. It happens all the time. And then it's actually, on one hand, it's like, well, I knew what the bottom was for this one because it just barely touches your stop loss and goes back. But yeah, so I just hate it. Because overall, see, the idea is, if you are buying a stock, you should have done your homework, and so you obviously think it's gonna go up. Let's just say you're buying it. So if you've done your homework, you've done your fundamental analysis. If you're not sure that it's gonna go up over the next course of a year or 5 or whatever your plan is, then you probably shouldn't be buying it anyways. So, so if you're in this stock that you think is going to go up, and then all of a sudden it goes down. So why is that a problem? You should buy more because you did your homework, you did your fundamental analysis. So if a stock that you think and you really believe in, so if it goes down, you should just add more dollar cost average. So personally, that's how I kind of look at it. But stop losses are very important. It's just I'm always watching it. But if you're not always watching your options and stuff, then yeah, I might would put some stop losses in, but you know, just stop losses are really they just annoy me. I would prefer like a trailing stop or something like that. This could be interesting, but I manually do everything anyway. So, and I'm not really trading so high risk, some high risky positions anyways, unless it was the futures and crypto and whatnot. So, yeah, anyways. Tick charts, huh? Yeah. On the leaps, are you looking for a delta number or implied volatility? How do you select your prices? So I would mainly focus on the delta. So for the leaps, I would do a deep in the money, high delta around a 70. At least I would start looking around a 70. Maybe I can get 65. Maybe we get 80. It depends on how much capital I want to put into the position. But I would get at least 12 months out. And so for me, this is just a long-term position. I would just hold the stock, just the common shares, but just to save some money, I might do some leaps and then yeah. So for me, it's just a long-term hold position. So the strike is not as important for me. It's almost secondary to the delta. So because delta is just like, okay, so got 70 exposure to the underlying 70 shares worth of exposure. So just go with delta 70. That's basically my thought process. But yeah, deep in the money for the leaps. It's all about the exposure on long term for me. Yeah, I've seen that in Forex. It goes up after my stop loss sometimes. Very hard to predict. Yeah, I also traded 4 years ago. Probably back in 2015, I think. I got into it a little bit in the crypto hedge fund. Obviously, it wasn't all crypto. 5% was. So yeah, but I didn't really like it. But I had my run at it. Stocks are by far easier. Much easier than crypto, much easier than Forex. Why? Because stocks go up. At least they mostly go up. Literally, like, I think 70, like 2/3 every 2 out of 3 days is up, and every 1 out of 3 days is down. Like historically, something like this. Well, let's check this out again, I guess, huh? Nothing going on. Okay, what's everything doing? Zillow's been doing well the last few days. These things are moving up. Energy, financials moving up. Dow is also. Okay, not so bad. Oil is doing good though. Oil, energy, and financials are doing well. One of those days, huh? And the Dow is doing well. S&P, not so bad. NASDAQ not very good, but considering it was up 4%, that just the normal QQQ was up 4% yesterday. I'll take a break-even day. Squeeze out a little profit. But yeah, it looks like tech and semis got sold off on a bit. But that all could change. Well, let's go ahead and look at the TNX. Yeah. Well, anyways, I don't know what's going on with the Roblox. So, I mean, I'm not really all that excited about. I'm probably gonna my list. Take a nap. Got a pretty busy day. Gross. Yeah. But yeah, I'll be taking the day off on. I think I'll still be able to get the analysis up actually on the blog. Link in the description. But I'm excited to go to Disney and I'll make a video. I was hoping to get a Chinese electric car to take out just to make a video on it. Would have been a good opportunity, but whatever. Can't rent them. And I don't know anybody that actually has one of those Neos, Xiaopongs, or so whatever. Another time next week I'll go to the Xiaopong store. I promise. That was definitely a fun video. I had a good time editing that one, although it took a lot longer to edit it, but yeah, I had more fun because I could be more creative than just the usual style of what you're looking at right now, just sitting in front of the stock handles. But anyways, so yeah, I don't know. I'll keep my order in for the Roblox for. Got the one in for $45 for 10 shares. I mean, I'll keep it in there. Might as well. All of these other things I'm going to keep in too. Hopefully we can get hit. OGIG was approaching, but yeah, it's not really moving all that much. So we'll see. It's 53 though. I'm excited about that one. That one is going to be great, especially the recovery. This one easily could go up to 65. But recovery, I mean tech recovery, not the. Yeah, not the economical recovery. But probably I would say an option on Mara was not a bad idea. Maybe even like a 42 strike if you wanted to do it, because Bitcoin is up a lot more than Mara is, which I don't remember ever seeing that, which is weird. Maybe it's just chilling out. Could be just be cooling off. I don't know. Also, the iPod and iPof is down 1% today. Could be a good opportunity for some of you guys. Disney is on up 1.8, so that's cool. Disney is also is kind of like an online company now because it's streaming the Disney Plus. And then like the recovery, it's the parks because the economy opens up and then people go to the parks, but are people going to go to the parks? Or do people just think that everyone's going to the Disney parks? Actually, that's funny I say that because I'm literally. Yeah, I mean, everything's been back to normal where I am since like the summer. Summer is crazy. Long time. Kind of like removed from the thing. But yeah, we don't even have to wear masks anywhere now. And I can tell you China was really hard. They're very harsh on it first. But then it kind of all the corona just went away and nobody really has it. I don't even know anybody that got it. Like seriously, I literally don't know anybody that got it here. And they did a good job of handling it once it broke out. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of normal, but assuming that as soon as the economy opens up, a lot of people are going to be going to Disney, like yeah, I guess that would make sense, huh? I guess it would. But I imagine that they've lost so much money since it's been closed that is it gonna make up for it? 6 months down the line? You know what I mean? This I'm very skeptical on. And I'm also very skeptical about the airliners, about the travel, because like Disney is not necessarily a cheap place to go to. It's pretty expensive. So I don't know. I'm just so skeptical on those things. I don't know why I'm so skeptical. I just am. I feel like I don't know. It makes sense and I can see it doing well, but maybe not as much as everybody is thinking. You know? I just doubt it. I think they're still going to be paying for the suffering that those companies did being closed for so long. All the cyclicals and travel and leisure. I think they're just going to keep paying for it longer than people expect. Like for sure, their revenue is going to pick up, but by how much? I'm a little bit doubtful. But that's just my opinion. Hopefully, I'm wrong. I really do. Hope I'm wrong. According to Nasdaq site, trading is still held for Roblox. It won't open at 45. Such a shame. I could open at 80 now. I know. That's too bad. It really is. It really is. I was looking forward to it. I was looking forward to it. Oh well. Where is that good old Roblox? This dinosaur game was super lame. Just I don't know what else they got. I mean, I guess I could search for anything, right? Let me search for stock market. I will be so impressed if there's a stock market game. Holy crap. Stock market simulator? Online business simulator. Stonks. Nice. That's what I was thinking about making actually. The Roblox stock market. Oh my god. The thing is, there ain't nobody playing these games. The online business simulator too, though. Online business. That's cool. Truck. Computer. Is it 4 cities? Multiple office floor? I mean, I don't know. It could be cool, but I don't really want to like walk around with my avatar and drive a car. I would prefer just like a like I don't know what the genre of games is called. Uh, not first person, but like real time strategy or something. Yeah, I think I'm more into like the real time strategy. So not like I don't need like an I don't need to be like a little dude that's walking around. I would prefer to just I would prefer to just like push buttons and stuff. I don't know. Maybe I'm super lame or something. Probably that's the case. All right, Ed. See you later. Have a good night. Still worth $80? I seriously doubt it. Man, wouldn't you love to be one of those early investors and then just dumping all those shares at $8? Just the valuation just doubled almost. Almost. It's probably gonna run up to 90. And you could dump all of that and you just doubled your money in like a I mean, technically it wasn't a day, but from what you expected, the 45 at least. That's crazy. Well, I don't really want to play this, to be honest. They must have something else. Let's type in business. Okay, so this online business. Got some tycoon games. Ice cream van simulator. Yeah, that sounds cool. Shipping lanes. That also sounds cool. Rating simulator. I mean, it would be cool because this game has just so many games. You can just play so many things. That's cool. Got some shipping. Ice cream van simulator sounds cool. Yeah, that doesn't look very cool. What else they got? Oh, farming. They got any farming? Let's do some farming. Got some farming. Farm town. Yeah, we should just hang this up and then just stream like a better game. Farming simulator. There's 1,200 people playing it right now. Farming and friends. This is cool though. I'm glad that I know about this now. Trucking simulator. Spaceship tycoon. Let's see how much the Robux cost. I'm interested. $4.99 for 400. Oh, you can subscribe. Interesting. So for $20 for $5 a month, you can get 450 per month. I mean, that seems reasonable if your kid really likes this. But the kids won't have a, well, I mean, maybe you can teach them how to save your Robux and don't just be frugal about it. Could be cool. I mean, I would do it. Only $5, doesn't matter. I wouldn't give them so too much because you don't need very much. I feel like. What if you can sell these? Like, where can I sell my Robux? I'm sure that's a thing, right? Player up. Yeah, you can sell it. Or what? You can just give them away. I wonder if we can invest in Robux. Are they gonna raise the prices on this? If we just buy like a bunch now and then wait till they raise the prices in the future? Yep. Anyways, I don't know if that would be so easy. Plain crazy. Build your own crazy vehicles, plane cars, boats, rockets, drones, or a combination of them all. Okay. And then what? Didn't somebody recommend some fashion thing? What was it called? I don't remember. Pretty sure it's fashion something. Fashion famous. Mm-hmm. So what do I do here though? What's the point of this? Don't know. Try it. Yeah, I saw the DevX thing. I mean, it's still cool though, but it's not like we could invest in it. Wouldn't that be so silly? Popular game among older players is probably Arsenal Phantom Forces. Yeah. Okay. Well, anyways, we're gonna try. Fashion famous, you dress up and do a catwalk. God. Hello, I'm wanting to buy Roblox stock, but I don't know when it's coming out. Do you? Nobody really knows. Today, sometime. We are just kind of hanging out. That's best dip price to buy in. I mean, I would say something around 45, 50 if it can dip back down there, which I believe it probably eventually will. How do I even play? Or rate the outfit? Um, what? Intermission? What is this? Can a dip happen on the same day? Yeah, for sure. For sure. It's more than likely it will. Just imagine this is a $37 billion company as of right now. Up from $4 billion. What am I doing here? Shop, mute. Welcome to Fashion Famous. The category is concert night. So you will have 4 minutes to create the best outfit. Okay. I could do that. Oh. My God. Yeah, this is a girls' game, guys. Haven't figured it out. This is for girls. Look at what other people are doing. Okay, so what do I... Oh, there's... See, what does my ideal woman look like? My ideal woman obviously is going to blue hair. Kind of green too. Okay. Then probably have a tiara, but I don't see a tiara. Unless that's a tiara. Oh, that's close enough though. You know, there's planets here though. We could do some planets. Makeup? Okay. And obviously it look like a watermelon. Okay. How about this one? Yeah, it's not bad. It's not so bad. Sprint. Gonna need to start going faster, huh? For a dress? Is there no dress? Cool. What's this? I don't know. Do I have clothes on? Okay. I'm glitching. I'm just levitating. Guess that's good. So what's like the target age here? Oh, I'm a mermaid. Hey, you go put some clothes on. You only got a minute left. This is a cool one. I don't know, I think okay, so if I want to win, what would 6-year-old girls want? Probably some pink and purple, right? Probably they don't want this mermaid one because probably everybody does that. I wonder how I take it off. That's a good question. Can I just put it back? Dang, maybe I should find some pants or something. Well, looks like we're gonna be wearing our mermaid tail. Pretty happy with it overall though. Why not? I think that looks pretty good. Okay, well, they're not gonna win. They don't even have any clothes on. Does that count? They don't even have hair. Okay, 1 star. That sucks. Can you even give it 0 stars though? Okay, okay, that one's pretty good, not gonna lie. That one's not bad. But I'm still gonna give it a 1 star though because I want to win, right? Isn't that how you play this? Nia Bestie 12. I bet that girl is 12 years old. Don't really like it. Don't really like that one. Yeah, what? Next up is Pro Stock Advice. We are a mermaid. So obviously, that is going to be 5 stars. Oh, I cannot give myself 5 stars? That's lame. I got flowers just kind of beaming out of it. Unicorn bears. 5-7. This one's pretty cool. But still gonna give it only a 1 star, obviously, because we want to win this. Alright, how much longer we gotta do this? 8 to 13. God. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to rate it, right? Oops. Great. Everybody's getting 1 stars. I'll be happy with a 3rd place here. Oh, dang. Just called that. Wow. Hey. Yeah, I thought those two would win, actually. Those are the two. Those. That's actually funny. I thought those two were going to win. Dang, that's pretty good. 3rd place. First time. That's funny. Ooh, we get coins. Are those Robux? We get Robux? Probably not, huh? Maybe. Alright, that's enough for me. Legit. See ya. Don't need that no more. I don't want to play that one anymore. Okay. See what's going on. Dow is doing pretty good though. Alright, it's about the same that we were. Dow's moving up actually. S&P's improving a little bit. Stock sold is not really in tech and Nasdaq. Alright. Well. Yeah. I'm well. Yeah. That's so like who said it was gonna open at 9? You know? Come on. They usually don't. Anyways, is there anything else that we should try here? Arsenal, you said? See, is that like first person shooter? I'm not really interested. Thing. Phantom Forces. Arsenal, huh? More people are playing Arsenal, but it's 88%. Escape Scooby. Now that one seems interesting. A Scooby-Doo one? Is Scooby-Doo making a comeback? Scooby-Doo literally has been popping up in my life few times over the past couple of weeks. I don't even know why. They're making a comeback. Is it really you really think they're doing that on purpose though? Maybe they are. Maybe there is a conspiracy theory, but to be fair, most of them don't open until afternoon. A lot of the times. And then they'll just dump. Alright, what's this one about? Race to the top through a massive arsenal of weapons. Conquer the day in fast-paced arcade gameplay from bazookas to spellbooks. Each weapon will keep you guessing on what's next. Earn battle bucks and trick out your game with a huge cast of characters, melees, kill effects, skins, and more. Okay. That one sounds cool. Well, let's try to trick out our character then. Let's do it. Well, I'm hoping to find one thing that I can tolerate here. If I was playing with kids, or if I was like watching innocent kids, then it could be fun. It could be a good time. But you know, it's like I'm not gonna watch cartoons by myself. But if I'm watching it, you know, if you watch them with your own kids, it's fun. That's just how I feel. But maybe I can find one that I enjoy. Who knows? But I don't know. I think people are about to get screwed with the Roblox IPO. I don't want to be so negative, but I think so. Is this my guy? All right, I'm going in. Hope the controls are intuitive. What am I doing here? 5. Okay. How do I know who's not me? Like, or sorry, not on my team. The red ones, I guess. Is that my guy, or maybe that's a friendly? All right, well, try again. Let you see. That's a bad guy, right, but how do I know? Why can't I shoot him? Okay. So I'm assuming that the red team is our friendlies. Why am I so unclear? Is this normal to be so confused? Okay, well, anyways, I just gonna assume that the red ones are mine. Yeah, he would have killed me. Can I shoot? Oh, it's over. Huh. Beach, Midtown, Kitchen Chaos, whatever. Railgun, tools. Yeah, definitely railguns. 2 teams, 4 teams. Probably 2. Just so I can figure out who's on my team. This one looks better though, but I feel like Fortnite looks even better. Although I never played it. I just feel like, you know. Alright. So, oh, so this is the teams. Okay, so I want to be on the red team. See if that's. Yep, okay. What? Over there so fast. I thought this game just started. Okay, okay, where am I? Okay, the house is clear. Oh, crap. Okay. Well, try again. What kind of gun is this, anyways? Oh, there's some. Yeah, okay, so if you haven't noticed, I'm really bad at this, or maybe everybody I'm playing with is just super good. I don't really get it, though. Uh-oh. Did I get somebody? Probably not. Maybe I did get somebody. How do I tell? Gun kind of sucks, though. Okay, so obviously the strategy is to keep jumping. Okay. Let me just jump everywhere then. Jump and move fast. Why'd you just... Can it, can it shoot? Oh, because it's over? Oh. Okay. This one is better for me, I guess, although I guess I killed one person though. Right? I guess those are really quick games. I wish that would last a little bit longer. My attention span is more than like. All right, well anyways, this is gonna be the last game. Then call it quits. See if I can get a kill. But overall, I mean, this is a free game, so can't really complain. I'm just trying to follow him in there. Not working. Hmm. I just hide. Probably a better idea. Although it's tempting because I just saw somebody. Well, at least I didn't die. Like the Alamo or something. Oh man, come on. Game is almost over. Okay. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. I mean, not really my cup of tea, but it's all good. For kids, that would be just really fun, though, for sure, because it's like unlimited free games. How awesome is that? So, I think overall it's pretty good, but I don't know about a $40 billion valuation. That's pretty steep. Anyways, guys, good luck in the rest of the markets today, and I'm gonna go ahead and crash. Take a day off on Friday, and but tomorrow I will see you guys, and I'll try to have the daily write-up out as fast as possible. Anyways, guys, see